Hi students, welcome to our next class in Dark Technologies, that is about operators in JavaScript. What are operators? Operators are is a special symbol used to perform some operations or perform a particular operations on operands. Here operands are values or variables. Here is for some example. Here plus is an operator and this operates uh, addition operation on these two values 2 and 3 and gives result 5. Operators అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? Operators are a special symbol. ఎందుకు యూజ్ అవుతుంది? From specific task perform చేయడానికి లేదంటే specific operation perform చేయడానికి ఈ ఆపరేటర్స్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. వీటి మీద స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆపరేషన్ పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే ఆపరెంట్స్ అంటే వాల్యూస్ అవ్వచ్చు, వేరియబుల్స్ అవ్వచ్చు. చూడండి 2 ప్లస్ 3 ప్లస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఎడిషన్ ఆపరేషన్ పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది 2 వాల్యూస్ మీద. 2 ప్లస్ 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 5. These operators are similar to um, Java operators, C operators, any other languages operators. Types of operators. There are there are so many types of operators in JavaScript also, like in Java, in C, in C++, in many other languages. These operators are same. How they work in Java and many other languages, they work also same in this Java also. Types of operators: assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, string operators, and other operators. Let us see these operators one by one. Assignment operator. These assignment operator used to assign values to variables. These equals to is called assignment operator. Means, for example, here is a variable a. I want to assign some value 10. Then we will use this assignment operator. Means this value 10 is assigned to a. అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామో? ఏమైనా వేరియబుల్స్కి వాల్యూ అసైన్ చేయాలంటే అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ అంటే ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఆపరేటర్. చూడండి, ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 అంటే ఇవి ఏ వేరియబుల్కి 10 అనే వాల్యూని అసైన్ చేస్తాం. List of operators along with assignment operator and arithmetic operators. చూడండి, సింపుల్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఏకి 7 వాల్యూని అసైన్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఇస్ addition assignment. Here what it will do? First it adds a 5 to a and then this result value is assigned to a. In the same way, subtraction assignment operator also, first it subtracts 2 minus from 2 from a and then assigns the values to a. Like similarly, multiplication assignment operator, first it multiplies a with 3 and then assign value to a. In the similar way, it division assignment, it divides a with 2 and the value is assigned to a. Next, remainder assignment. Here it divides a with 2 and the remainder is assigned to a. Here what is the remainder we will get? What the remainder we will get? That remainder value is assigned to a. These are all assignment operators along with arithmetic operators. Let us see arithmetic operators in Java. Arithmetic operations are used to perform arithmetic calculations. Arithmetic calculations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, and increment or decrement. Example 3 plus 5. Value is result. Here is list of arithmetic operators. Here plus operator performs addition on operands. Minus operator performs subtraction on operands. Multiplication operation performs multiplication on operands. Division operator performs division on operands. This remainder operator or percentage performs division, and we will get the remainder as value. Increment plus plus operator, we will get increment the value by 1. Decrement operator, we will get decrement the value by 1. These are all the different types of arithmetic operators. Next, comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean value. If the comparison is correct, then we will get the true value. If the comparison is wrong, then we will get false value. Thus, true and false values are known as Boolean values, which are data types in our language. For example, here a equal to 3 and b equal to 3. If a greater than b, then we will get true. Since 3 is greater than 2, then we get 2. If I want to check a less than b, then we will get false because 3 is greater than. Comparison operator ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామో టూ వాల్యూస్ ని కంపేర్ చేయడానికి, whether they are equal or greater than or less than. Based on that values, we will get the Boolean value as a result, either true or false. These are list of comparison operators. Equals, whether if you want to check whether two values are equal, then we will use this double equals operator. If it is true, then it returns true, otherwise false. Not equal, this is exactly opposite to equals operator. It checks whether the two values are not equal. If two values are not equal, then it returns true, otherwise false. Strict equals, true if the operands are equal of the same type. Here triple equals operators we have used, means these two operands must be, these two values must be equal and of the same type. Only integers, only characters, only float. And strict not equals, this operator is exactly opposite to this strict equal to operator. Next one is greater than. If the left operand is greater than the right operand, then it will give the result true, otherwise false. Greater than or equal to, here it will check greater than or equals. If the left operand is greater than or equal to right operand, then it will give the result true, otherwise false. Less than, if the left operand is less than right operand, then we will get true, otherwise false. In the same way, less than or equals to, it will check whether it is less than or equals to. If the left operand is less than or equal to right operand, then we will get true as a result, otherwise false. Logical AND operations. These logical operator performs logical operations and returns a Boolean value, either true or false. These logical operations are used to perform logical operations on two or more conditions or two or more expressions or a compound expressions. Here see, this is a compound expression, this is a comparison operator, and these two are comparison operators, and we will perform logical operation on this two comparison operators. The logical operators are always performs on two or more um, comparison operators. Here, this logical and this double ampersand represents logical operator, and if both x value is less than 6 and y value is less than 6, then we will get true value. These are the list of operators available. First one is logical and logical or logical not. In logical and, only if both are true, then only we will get the result true, otherwise false. Only both conditions must be true. In logical or, if one condition is true, then we will get true. If both are false, then we will get false. We will get true if either one of the operands are true, otherwise false. Logical not, exactly opposite to our uh, operand. If our operand is true, then we will get the result false. If our operand is false, then we will get the result true. Bitwise operations. This performs bitwise operations on our numbers. Means performs operations on zeros and ones. These are bitwise representation in our computer memory. Zeros and ones. And operators, both are 1, then only we will get 1, or both are uh, 1 or one of the element is 1, then we will get 1, otherwise false. XOR and bitwise not. Left shift, it shifts the bits left to the uh, operator. This is right shift operator. Zero fill right shift operator. These are the types of operators available in bitwise operators. Next one is Java string operator. Here only one operator is there for string operators. What is that? Plus operator. This operator performs concatenation of two or more strings. If we use it with strings, it performs concatenation. If we use it with numbers, it performs addition. Special is an plus is an operator that can perform operations on strings as well as numbers. See here one example: hello plus word. We will get result hello world. Let a equal to JavaScript, and I have I have concatening tutorial to this JavaScript. A plus a. Result is JavaScript tutorial. This way we can perform operations on string using this plus operator. Some special type of operators are available. Let us see. This is comma, which separates multiple operands. Here we are separating 1, 3 and 4 by using this comma. And this is ternary operator. Based on the condition, we will get the result. If the first one is true, then we will get true, otherwise false. Delete. To delete an object properties, we will use this delete operator. We will discuss this in later classes. Type of. This type of operator returns the type, what type of uh, value we are giving into the variable. It returns the value. Void. It tells there is no return type to the value. In it returns true if the specified property is in the object. If there is uh, or specified property is present in the object, then it returns true, otherwise false. Instance of, it will give object to that type. Returns true if the specified object is of the specified object type. Means there are two objects. If first one object is of, if I want to check whether these two object, first one object is of type second one object, then we will use this instance operator. Instance operator gives true if the specified object is of specified object type. These are the operators present in JavaScript. Next tutorial we are going to learn about conditional operators, loops and switch operators.